Everything manufactured is first simulated with advanced physics and solvers. Computational fluid dynamic simulations, or CFD, can take hours or months, limiting the number of possible design explorations. With an NVIDIA Omniverse Blueprint for real-time physics digital twins, software makers can integrate NVIDIA acceleration libraries, physics ML, and RTX visualization into their existing tools, enabling a 1200x speedup in design iteration time. Here, Luminary Cloud builds a fully real-time virtual wind tunnel based on the blueprint. First, Luminary uses the NVIDIA Modulus Physics ML framework to train a simulation AI model using data generated from their NVIDIA CUDA-X accelerated CFD solver. The model understands the complex relationship between airflow fields and varying car geometries, generating results orders of magnitude times faster than with the solver alone. The AI output is visualized in real time using Omniverse APIs. Now an engineer can make geometry or scene modifications, seeing the effects in real time. And because of Omniverse's data interoperability, the engineer can even bring new geometries, and the simulation will adapt instantly. What took weeks or even months is now a matter of seconds. Software developers everywhere can now bring unprecedented speed and flexibility to the world's industrial designers and engineers, helping save massive costs and shorten the time to market.